हाय ऑल। मैंने ये एंड्रॉयड वाला अपने टोयोटा यारिस के लिए इंस्टॉल करवाया था फ्रॉम ब्राइट किंग। सो दिस इज़ व्हाट आई हैव। ओके, इट इज़ प्रिटी गुड। इसमें बहुत सारे फीचर्स है, आप देख सकते हो। एंड फॉर एग्जांपल मैप्स है, यूट्यूब and navigation. You can easily connect this app to your phone and you can make calls or you can receive calls. So this is a pretty useful feature which I got it installed by Bright King, and the service is very good. Okay, even I got a reverse camera installed along with this, which is of pretty good quality. Okay, and the prices are reasonable, so you can go forward. Okay, and the person Bright King is also is very helpful. He will explain you what are the features and all, how what are the benefits. It's good. Go ahead. Thank you.